Hi. Today we have an Acer E1-572G. I don't know if my camera will focus on the model number. We need to disassemble it and clean it. I don't want to scratch the surface. Turn it around. Remove the battery if you have. I don't have one first to not short any components, and remove. You have one screw for the back door here. I don't have it. Remove the hard drive. Mine is a little bit broken. Oh, remove the hard RAM, the hard the RAM chips, and let's begin to disassemble it. You have one screw there for hard drive caddy. I don't have in this one a caddy. One screw here for the case. Remove this one first, and from the bottom right corner, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10 12 14 16 screw. I don't have this one, this one here, and I believe here. I will remove one from here. I just bought this laptop. I hope it's not repaired or something. It's i5 4th generation with an AMD R7, I think. I'm not quite sure. Remove this DVD-ROM. It's a slim one. Manufacturing date 2014. My USB cable, it's broken. My HDD SATA connector is broken. I hope it still reads hard drives, because it's kinda tricky to replace the actual connector if it doesn't, and I hope it's not repaired, the chipset. Okay, after you removed all the screw and you can take them out like me, just turn it around and it will fall. Okay, I haven't done this in quite a long time, but this is a pretty nice laptop and I want to. You need to remove the keyboard and be careful not to break anything, mainly the cord from keyboard to motherboard. Just crack it little by little. Oh, looks like I have broken the actual, yeah, I broke the case. It's a very light case, and pretty much you need to go little by little. I don't have tools, and looks like I need some. Let me take something to crack it open, and it's a sheet of metal, and I'm going to use it to open the case. Looks like I need one more here too. Okay, the case is loose, I think. Yes, just remove this piece of tape right here, and I don't really know. Oh, you this way, pull a little bit up from here and pull out all the connectors. Careful not to break them or it will not work anymore. Perfect. Now I need to see if I find another ribbon cable like this, or I will need to repair it. The laptop looks clean. It doesn't look like it has been tampered with, and I don't think it was disassembled until now. Here is the Wi-Fi chip. There are two screws on the motherboard. Yeah, only two of them. Let's remove them, and you pretty much have a lot of connectors to remove also. I need to watch for the SATA connector to see if actually is broken or just loosen. Remove the Wi-Fi, and this is a strange way to put Wi-Fi, but doesn't matter. Let's take it out. Now I think the marble should come off easily. Remove the display connector, and this is it, I believe. Oh, don't forget this one and the speakers also. Okay, looks like it need to come off in an odd angle. You need to take it out from here first, then from here remove the cooler, and finally remove the power connector. Put the case with the display aside, and this is the main board. Let me see the connector first. Looks like it's not broken, but it's loosened and tempered little bit. It should not be a problem, but I will straighten it up after I clean it, because that is the main goal now. And let's find some thermal pasta. Here is the pasta. And my sanitary alcohol. Let's remove the this kind of cooling scheme. It's bad. Look where the graphic card is, and this will affect in time the performance, and it will break the computer. And the pasta is everywhere. This is why you should clean it in 2 years after you buy a new laptop. It was okay in 2014, but now it's old and it will affect the cooling. All of laptops have this glued on the motherboard, let's say, processor that can break as easily as the graphic card itself. Now there are two problems, not one. One with the graphic card and one with the processor. Just clean it and look out for any residual pasta remains. It's an odd type of processor, and you should apply pasta on it. Let's hope I have enough time to show you. My camera doesn't film any much, and I pretty don't know how to edit videos. So clean it up. Apply a little point pasta on this one and a line on this one, just on the middle, because when you push this back it will spread on the die itself. This is it. My camera will shut down soon.